Great job, Dan, improving the stability of the drill shelf trolley. Great job. Marius with a 3S clearing out the powder coat booths, and also Damien in the next door powder coat booth fixing a hole in the roof, covering it up with a little plate. And nice work on the wall mounted glove dispenser box. Really good. So it's 3S time, and Peter highlighted an issue that every laser has a different desktop background, it has different icons, different. So we've got 5, so now we're going to go through every one and change each desktop and icons and standardize it. So I'll show you the after. Improvement at the lasers. So this is before. Basically, if we want to add an extra file in here, we would have to go File, Import, DXF. We would go Desktop, there, back, there, into our database, and then we'd find the file. And that's way too long, too many clicks, too much excess motion, so we're going to fix that. So here's the improvement. Now we just go File, Import, Desktop, in there, and we put a shortcut there. So it saves a lot of excess motion and a lot less clicking, and it'll increase our speed if we have to do that by at least a minute a day. Great job, Phil, securing another invoice tray. And a great job, Stuart, with before and after 3S with an illegal portrait video. And Slavek made repairs to the ID1 machine that broke a couple of days ago, so it's been re-welded and reassembled better than it was before. And great job everyone who was on the sweeping team this morning, making our road look premium. And Mark with before and after. We ran an experiment and didn't put a support on the silencer, and it failed and it broke, but that's alright, so we've added a support now. Great job, Chris.